Assalamu alaikum all the students. So today we are going to talk about metals versus non-metals. And this video was requested by one student. So this video is for you and let's begin it. So the first thing I would like to share with you all is this picture. You can see the boy is holding one ball that is made up of metal, and you can observe that the ball is very shiny. So the metal shines whenever it is put into a light or sunlight. So this property is called lustrous. While in the other hand, you can see a non-metal graphite, and this is not a shiny material. So the property of non-metal that is not shiny is called non-lustrous. The second property of metal is they are sonorous. It means they produce sounds. Let's check it out if they really produce a sound or not. While on the other hand, non-metals are non-sonorous because they do not produce that much sound that produced by the metals. Check this out. So the third property is metals always lose its electron and form cations, the atoms that having the positive charge. And on the other hand, non-metals are those that gains the electron and forms an ion. It means atom having negative charges. So the fourth property is, as I told you before, that metals lose its electron. It means when they lose electron, that electron flows in through the wires and produce electricity. So it means they conduct electricity, while on the other hand, non-metals do not lose its electron. It cannot produce electricity. So they are the poor conductor of electricity. The other property of metal is this, that they are hard. They cannot break easily with our hand, while on the other hand, non-metals are soft or brittle, means they can break easily with the little pressure. The other property of metal is when the bonding are strong, they are hard. When the bonding is weak, they are easily breakable. It means they have strong metallic bond and they have weak metallic bond. So the next property of metal is this, that they are malleable. Malleable means they can be changed into sheets. You can see that there are many jewelries, forks, plates, even the steel plates in our kitchens. They all are metals and we can see different shapes. These shapes are due to the property of malleability, while on the other hand we can say non-metals are non-malleable because we cannot draw into sheets. Okay, so the next property of metal is they are ductile because they can be drawn into thin wires. You can see the example by looking at these pictures. Means we can easily make them these metals into wire. You can see a copper wire, it is a very common example. While on the other hand, non-metals cannot be drawn into wires.